because that's what we're working on. It's a car we did, what, 2 years ago? I think, 2 years ago. So we're just doing a little mods here and there, little cleanups, but that's part of owning a car. You'll hear it spark burn. Very bulletproof. Welding and gas. All that fabrication.
Welcome to Sparkburn Hotrods YouTube channel.
Okay.
Monday, July 1st. Welcome back.
Mañana! Let's see. It's Monday, July 1st. I'm going to start cutting Merc aprons so they're flush mount. I'm just waiting to hear back from the customer, make sure that's exactly what he wants. He's the one that wanted me to do it, so I'm just waiting back to waiting for me to hear back from him, so I'm hoping that's what he wants. Jeff is just farting with fiddles, so that's all he's doing, so. That's magical. Take my Danny Glover off, my Michael. We only have one left. Cool. Let's sit down tomorrow and polish it. And then set it on there, do 1/8-inch drill holes. Yeah.
No, I was definitely planning on just throwing a few passes on there.
Pleco in it, because then you're going to make this edge, I assume.
Yeah, I'll get this welded on and then I'll make the edge.
It's can't really do it until I get it welded, so that way I can actually
Shape it. I'm not sure if the whole thing needs to be done or just go right here, Yeah, I just Pleco it down, put it in there, make sure it fits, You know where your Plecos are? Okay.
Okay.
Come on, we're coming back.
Yeah.
One eternity later.
Well, well, well. How the turntables?
Oh, it's very nice.
Bye, have a great time.